Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I'm going to go ahead and unbox some things I got from my P.O. box a while back. And another item that's so far back, I should have opened this like a year ago. Yeah, y'all, a year ago. So if you want to see what I got in these packages and you like unboxing videos, go ahead and make sure you subscribe to my channel, OlenaRosanne. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on all your notifications, and don't forget to leave me a comment on your way out. Okay, so the first item I have here is actually from Mary Kay. Y'all, this is so old, and my friend probably mad at me. Oh my gosh, I've been on her for as long as I've been on Instagram. She's formerly known as I Am Amazingly Natural. She's now, and you know, she was doing Mary Kay on the side. I'm actually not even sure she's still doing it. We'll find out hopefully by the time I upload this, but this is from Mary Kay. Oh, you see how it says hello gorgeous? So anyway, of course I had to support my sis and order something from her. And what I got, oh, that's what I got. What I got from her are 3 items. Is it 4 items? It's been a long time though. I mean, I think I ordered this stuff last year before I moved. Kept saying I was gonna unbox it. Still haven't unboxed it till now, April of 2022. So anyway, first item I ordered. This is the oil-free eye makeup remover. Now, I'm not wearing much of anything at all today. All I'm wearing is lipstick and a little bit of mascara, some brows, but normally, you know, mascara is one of the items I wear. If I don't wear lashes, I'm wearing mascara or both. And I haven't wore eyeshadow in quite a long bit, here and there, but I plan to get back into it. And what a better time to get back into it when I finally unbox this. So, oil-free eye makeup remover. I do like oils to remove makeup, but I wanted to try some oil-free and hope that didn't irritate my eyes but still take off the makeup, and that means waterproof makeup as well. So I'm interested in seeing what this does. This does say this is for dry to oily skin and is suitable for sensitive skin, fragrance-free, oil-free, suitable for contact lens wearers as well, and it's ophthalmologist tested. That's good to know because clearly I wear glasses. And shake until blended. Apply a small amount to cotton ball or pad. Gently wipe away all traces of eye makeup. Ooh, this is a good size bottle. And I don't know if you can see the liquid in it, but it's pink. Going along with Mary Kay, which the theme color is pink. This is a nice bottle. This is 3.75 fluid ounces. And this is even going to look pretty either in the bathroom, next to my bed, wherever I decide to put it. And you know, there's a little spout there, there's a little hole there so product can get through. Let's just do this. Okay, and it does not come out quickly, so you don't have to worry about splashing everywhere. Feels like water. Has no scent. You can see a little bit of it is right there. Anyway, as you can see, it has already dried for the most part. And there's not a sticky residue. So I'll have to do a reel or do something trying this, possibly on this channel. Either way, make sure you are subscribed and follow me as OlenaRosanne everywhere. Okay, so that's that item. Next we have it says Mary Kay at Play. It's a contouring stick. Now this says get sculpted in a few simple swipes. Directions say draw under the cheekbones and on the sides of the nose to add dimension, blend as desired. I remember ordering this. I don't remember if I got the right color. Okay. taking it out looks like it's gonna be deep enough, and it's in a crayon form. Draws on smoothly, no problems whatsoever, and the tip of this is wide enough that it's not just gonna break all of a sudden. Okay, let's see how it spreads. Okay. Hey, I'm gonna have to do a look with this because I like this. I like that it's in a crayon form. I can get right where I need to get. I don't have to use a brush, and this spreads. And I think I got a good color for contour. Nice. And I like the size of this as well. How about that? I should have opened this a year ago, huh? Okay. Last item in here. I think this is a sample because I don't remember ordering it. Okay, so this is a sample. It says Mary Kay on it. This says Time Wise Moisture Renewing Gel Pack. Sounds like this is for the eyes. Or it could be, you know, a gel moisturizer. The back of it says it's for dry to oily skin. And it's fragrance free, non-comedogenic, which means doesn't clog the pores. Wonderful. And it says massage a generous layer of mask into cleansed skin, avoiding eye and mouth areas. Leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse or remove with a warm, wet cloth for enhanced pampering experience. Apply before bedtime and leave mask on overnight. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Okay. Definitely will be using this. All right, so that is from Mary Kay. So Laura, if you're watching this, girl, I finally opened the box. It's officially open, which means officially things are going to be used. If you want to see me apply the skin cream at night, if you want to see me go ahead and use the contour stick and the makeup look, and if you want to see me remove everything, any eye makeup with the eye makeup remover I got, let me know down in the comments. Okay, so next item here. Now I got this. This was last year, but this was maybe about 5 months ago, possibly. This was something unexpected. I don't even know who it's from. So I assume it's someone who wanted me just to try this out or check it out. Just so you know, my P.O. Box address is listed underneath the description box. So if you ever want to send me stuff, you know, want me to try things, go ahead and send it. And I'll unbox it here on YouTube. So this, it says Raw Indulgence Ltd. Raw Rev. Shop.rawrev.com. No bad stuff. And there is, looks like beans and rice and stuff on the box. So, yeah. Oh. Ah, okay, so here goes a sticker. It says Raw Rev. And here goes something that says Raw Rev and their contact information. It says join us on social media for weekly giveaways at Raw Rev. $10 off your next order of $40 or more. Use code 10 off. Okay. And yo, I was not ready for this. This looks like this is like granola bars or energy bars. Something I actually eat. It says high quality plant-based proteins, no soy or wheat proteins. Nutrition and diet conscious ingredients, healthy proteins, fats and fibers, nothing artificial, real organic dark chocolate, and raw superfoods, moist, delicious, and satisfying. 5-star reviews, strong velocity and manufacturer support. And it says Glow is the new gold standard for protein bars with this unique array of features. Yo, there is about 8 protein bars in here. This one is peanut butter and dark chocolate and sea salt. 11 grams of protein is in this bar. Okay. Let me see. I got about 3 of those. I have one here that says double chocolate brownie batter. Looks like I have 2 of those. Or 3 of those. And then the other flavor here I have is creamy peanut butter and sea salt. Yeah, I'm eating these. I don't know if I'm going to share this with my son. I don't know. This might be mine because I need some protein. And your girl plans to start, you know, working out. You know, now that we have the hysterectomy out of the way. And I need to do some things to control the stress level going on. I need to exercise. I need to better my body from the inside out, you know. Let me know if any of you guys are on your wellness journey, which includes, of course, eating better and exercising. Let me know in the comments, okay? And if you want to see more of that journey, which is something I've never shared on this channel before, if you want to see that on this channel, make sure you let me know. Make sure you're subscribed, okay? So thank you to Raw Rev for sending this to me. I really appreciate it. I will be eating this, and I see what's going on with them on social media. Wow. That was a nice surprise. Nice surprise. Okay, last item I'm going to open here is from a female black-owned business called Shea, and I've ordered from her before. I actually have a video on this channel from her before. Let me see. It says, thank you for your order and support of Shea. Please shop again. Her colors are obviously green. Oh, she has her business card. I don't know if I got one last time, but I got one this time. Natural Love from Shea. And her contact information, her website, telephone number, and Instagram handle. And I'll make sure all this information is listed in the description box. Okay, so this is something I ordered. I ordered last year when she had her, I think her Black Friday sale, or was it before Black Friday? One of those. And it was her new Shea Buttercream. I've tried the original, and I believe this one has carrot. Yes. This is the Shea hair butter with carrot oil in it. Now let me, there we go. Hopefully y'all can see that. Nothing but goodness. I love the new packaging. This is newer packaging, reusable packaging, and just so you know, this has 0 silicones, parabens, mineral oil, dyes, petroleum, or sulfates. This is a moisturizing sealant that claims it helps promote hair growth. And the ingredients are shea butter, carrot oil, grapeseed, vitamin E, rosemary, peppermint, and jasmine oil. All wonderful ingredients. So I had to support my girl. I've used her shea butter before. I like to use it when I do protective styles. I know I used it quite a bit when I was doing crochet braids and things like that. This is a sealant, so if you're looking for a good sealant, I would go ahead and give her a try. Support her, and her information will be down in the description box. Excited to try this, and if you guys want to see me try this on the channel, let me know as well. That's it for now. Thanks to everyone who is new and old on this channel. I appreciate you joining my garden of roses here. You guys are all my roses, so if you hear me say roses, you know I'm talking about y'all. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave me a comment, and if you haven't already hit that thumbs up button, go ahead and do that. But other than that, roses, I'll talk to you later. Bye.